Welcome to the ranch. It's Christmas. Vlogmas day 25 is here, and I am so excited to do this vlog today. I'm excited to be awake here this morning before everybody else, to sit in front of the fireplace and in front of the tree, all stacked up with all the things that we have to gift one another. We are gonna have a great day. I know it, and I am so excited to be able to share it with you all. So stick around. It's gonna be fun on the ranch today. I've got some surprises up my sleeve.
This is sick.
I know. Let me see what it is. Show me.
It's a Mr. Beast chocolate bar.
I know.
And
Okay, keep going. Good morning.
you see,
Merry Christmas. Wait, you gotta give me that before you can open up your stuff. Oh, Merry Christmas. You know what that is?
wait, what?
It's a Mr. Beast chocolate bar.
Let's go. Wait, what did you get?
Almond something. Almond chocolate.
I got the milk chocolate. I'm gonna like the almond chocolate.
Are you with them opening their presents? I'm glad.
Why? Somebody shoved all his stuff in the cup.
So you got, look at that pen. Isn't that cool?
That's a pen.
You click each color for a different color pen.
Yeah. Somebody's cotton candy.
Yes, it's a hot cocoa cotton candy.
That's awesome. Oh, I just look at this one.
Let me see yours.
You can like see the inside.
Let me see yours.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Nice.
That's like something that Mark Rubber would build. Like the piano. Ezekiel.
No, that's Elijah.
Ezekiel.
Ezekiel's still sleeping.
His cup. Yes, I can look at this cup. It's cherry lemonade. Oh, I love those things. I got a really cool one. Wait, why is stinking?
Coming off of my hands when I was driving it, or it was raining. What? What? What the heck?
Merry Christmas!
That's why we went to Mr. Jason's? Really? Really, Dad?
No, we really did do a pig.
Oh my goodness! Hi!
So we're giving her back, right?
Is it a girl?
Merry Christmas!
Mom, Winnie's hissing at him.
Put her in my room.
What?
Put Winnie in my room for a
This is
second.
the first time we've had a non-all option.
We have to tell the difference.
I was trying to record them, Eric, and I'm trying to play it off so bad. The back door was locked. Cried.
That's why you're like, do you hear them moms?
Yeah,
I was like,
Joy, what the heck is
Baby! Hi! Hi, baby!
Like friendliest and easy to get along with, and that was the other female was like a firecracker. Like she just and I was like,
was that a girl or was that a boy?
okay. So first of all, we want to say, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Okay, so who can tell me, Ezekiel, what is Christmas all about? What is Christmas?
About Jesus.
That's right. And Simeon, what is it about Jesus that we celebrate? What is it about Jesus that we celebrate?
I mean, I would say to vary would mean.
Merry Christmas!
Your mom.
Go put it in there for now. Go put it in there.
Wait.
I got a bunch of these. I can take. You got a Mr. Beast card? And yeah, it literally says share. It says share. It says like 10%. It's basically Kellen. Kellen. And then the other side says.
No, she'll find it.
What do you guys? You guys got a puppy?
Wait, what?
I was wondering why everyone's staring at us.
Leia!
Is it a boxer?
It's a box. Look at Leia's like, that's not it. Nope, nope.
Did you get that for her?
half sister.
That's what
Yeah,
it's
I
car
said I did.
Who's car?
Your car. No, it's because.
You're actually getting along really easy.
Leia, you got a baby friend.
Oh
my God.
It's a little girl.
What's her name?
Honey, maybe, but we don't know for sure.
We're between Honey
Abigail. So mean. You're so mean, Caleb. Nice.
There you go. All right, hop down, switch your feet. No, put your right. Can you pick it up, or are they too heavy? Pull your foot back.
Show them where to put it behind the little
Right there. behind the
pieces.
screws.
Yeah, behind the screws.
Push. Push.
I kind of just zone out and then my arm just ended up doing it for me.
There you go. That's pretty good.
Good job for a first timer.
All right, whatever you have, give me the cup. Give that to Uncle Barry.
$5.
$5.
I think this was new for a reason. $5.
$5. Give me the cup.
All right, Jonathan.
The banker's keeping track.
You're gonna get a Harry. You're gonna get a Harry. You're gonna get a Harry.
It's all random. I don't know what I.
I know.
All right, let's get down. Let's get down.
Will you five?
Put it right there in front of Uncle Barry. There you go.
This is a cute lot to do. Okay, I got a dollar. Got a dollar. Got a dollar. That's good.
Now,
Hey, I'm making that money.
All right, Caleb.
Caleb's getting.
Oh!
I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel.
$10 were in there, Barry.
Oh, Luke's got one for tens.
She lost her money. She got a franc. She got a franc.
Hey guys, guys.
Luke is the only one that can get a clean sweep.
Earlier, Abigail didn't want to pick that one, and I said it was okay.
And you were wrong. You lost everything on the last one. You got $22.
Because me and Emma have shared bank accounts, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, Emma walked away with some cash.
I had nothing anyway.
What'd you get? What'd you get? $2, girl.
I'm making
Boom, baby.
Broncos country. That's fine.
That is hilarious. Hi, baby.
You got it, Caleb.
That smells really good.
Yeah, all she needs to do is always army crawl and then.
Yeah, we should do all Brenna's presents first.
Yeah.
That's where Dad is.
No, Celine, we're doing more great ideas. Yeah, I'm doing this next one first.
Well, it's been a great day here. We are finishing up at my in-laws right now, doing gifts and all kinds of stuff. Thank you so much for coming along and sharing for this Vlogmas over these past 25 days that I have done this. It's been a crazy month. I feel like it went by really fast because of all this Vlogmas stuff. But you know what? I am super thankful that I did it. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to go back and see the other Vlogmas videos, you can go and check out the playlist. You know, it's been really fun giving you a taste of what it's like inside my large family and my life here running cattle and all the animals that we have. It's been fun. It's not perfect and nothing is set up and tidied up to the most perfection of a house. But you know what? It's lived in and we're loved and it's been wonderful. Thank you so much for watching, for coming back each day, and for being a part of our YouTube journey. We truly appreciate you. And today and this weekend has been so magical. The Lord has blessed us so abundantly, and it's just been such a wonderful time spending with family and friends. So, hey, who loves wonderful, Christ-filled, Christmas weekends, holidays with family, and surprising their kids with puppies? Farmers' wives do. See you guys later. Bye.